Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to delve into the word handcuffs. It's a term associated with law enforcement and restraining individuals. Let's get started. Meaning. Handcuffs is a noun that refers to a pair of restraining devices, typically made of metal, designed to lock around a person's wrists, often used by law enforcement to detain individuals and prevent them from escaping or resisting arrest. Pronunciation. Pronounce handcuffs as ʻhænd̆kʌfs, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hand. Use in a sentence. 1. The police officer secured the suspect's handcuffs after the arrest. 2. During the trial, the defendant was escorted to the courtroom wearing handcuffs. Synonyms. Synonyms for handcuffs include restraints, shackles, or manacles. Conclusion. Handcuffs are a vital tool in law enforcement for restraining individuals who pose a threat or need to be detained. They play a crucial role in maintaining safety and order in various situations. Thanks for joining us, and may your encounters with handcuffs always be on the right side of the law.